Today I'm modeling McCall's 8097, the skirt. I've hacked it with a Megan Nielsen Brumby skirt waistband and an exposed zip on the back. My shirt is the Tilly and the Buttons Sarin top, which I really love. It goes with lots of things and it's a great summer top, but the straps fall down. Today I'm going to show you a quick hack to fix that. For this project, you're going to need some thread, a threader, some sharp scissors, some sew-on snaps, and an embroidery needle. An embroidery needle has a larger eye, which will make threading multiple strands of thread easier. The first thing we need to do is measure how far up our straps we want our strap keepers to be. Now we're going to thread our needle. You're going to want 60 inches of thread total. Find the center point of your single strand of thread and feed that through the eye of your needle. Pull the center of your thread through until it meets the loose ends and tie all the ends together. You will end up with 4 strands of thread 15 inches long to create sturdy strap keepers with. I've placed a pin 2 inches up my strap to mark where the strap keepers will go. Next, you'll want to get the male side of your sew-on snap. On the back of your strap, at the pin, pass your needle through just the lining layer of fabric and back out. Feed your needle through the knotted end of your thread to secure it. I like to create an extra knot before sewing on my snap. As I'm sewing, you can see that I continue to check that I'm only going through the lining fabric. Thread your needle through one of the holes on your snap. Pass your needle through a bit of the lining fabric and up through each hole on the snap twice until you've sewn all the way around. Pass your needle through a bit of the lining fabric close to the snap and knot it by passing the needle through the looped end of your thread. Now it's time to create our thread chain on the other side of the strap. Secure your thread to your fabric on the opposite side in the same way you used before. Pass your needle through your fabric and pull it through part ways so you have a loop big enough to fit your hand. This next technique is fun once you get the hang of it. We're going to hand crochet the chain for our strap keeper. Place your hand in the loop you created. Pull a loop of thread through this loop and tighten the previous loop. Keep pulling new loops through and tighten the previous loop. You should see a chain start to form. Make the chain about 1 inch long enough to reach the snap on the opposite side of your strap. Don't forget to finish your chain by passing the needle through the final loop to knot it. Once your chain is complete, sew the female end onto your strap by placing the thread through each hole in the snap until you've worked your way around the entire snap. Knot your thread in the same way as before. One strap keeper is complete. Do the same process for the other strap and enjoy having straps that stay put and don't fall off your shoulders. If you would like to try this technique on a dress that doesn't have straps, I've linked to another tutorial that will help you.